Welcome YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you one example from Teng tools. Model number is MDR 908. I believe is a Swedish company, but I'm not 100% sure. But where it come, probably it came from Taiwan, because I saw in YouTube one example from SATA stubby driver, which is with the same clutch, just a different color, and also with the same storage on the back. But this screwdriver is a nice feeling in the hand, good amount of teeth on the mechanism. Have magnet on the front, which is do not magnetize the bits. I'm gonna show you some example here how screwing this. This is a normal poster bore screw. Have some magnetism, but I magnetize this with my magnetizer from Vera. I'm gonna show you some other bits which is didn't transfer the magnetize to the same bit, but this nice screwdriver, I like it a lot, and I don't have problem with the magnetizer because I have a magnetizer. The weight of this screwdriver is I'm gonna show you now. With all the bits inside, 156 grams. Overall length from tilt to back is 170 millimeters. Nice feeling, and storage is okay, because you know that you have some bits with you. What they come with I believe this is 7 millimeters slotted, 5 millimeters slotted, positive drive 1, positive drive 2, PH1 and PH2, and this adapter, socket adapter, 1/4 of the inch. If someone like good compact ratcheting screwdriver, check the Teng tools. And with that, I'm out. Thank you so much.